Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you have not already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, really simple pasta salad with egg. We're not going to take long to do this. It's really easy. Let's go and take a look at the ingredients we need. Okay, let's take a look at this really simple salad. Not going to keep you long today here. So, cooked pasta. I'm using the fusilli. You could be using penne or farfalle or something like that. Hard-boiled eggs, I've got 5 in there for that amount. That's about 200 grams of pasta. I've got some mozzarella cheese there. Olive oil and lemon juice. 2 parts olive oil, 1 part of lemon juice. I've got some freshly cut parsley there. You could try something else if you wanted, mint or something. And then, as you can see, I've got some tomatoes, onions and cucumber. And a tiny amount of garlic. We're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to that. That's it. Let's get a mixing bowl. Okay, simple as can be. Pasta's in the mixing bowl. We're just going to start adding everything. So, onion, cucumber and tomato. Cut nice and small, as you can see. We're going to go in with that fresh herb. I'm using a parsley. We're going to drop in that olive oil. Try and use a nice quality olive oil. 2 parts of that to 1 part of lemon juice. If you wanted, you could be using a balsamic vinegar or something. That tiny amount of garlic. We're going to get some black pepper in the mix. We're going to get some salt in the mix. I'm going to grab my eggs and I'm going to just chop them in. Roughly chopped. And think about other vegetables you might want to put in here as well. You might want to put some raw mushrooms in, some celery, some carrots, something like that. Sun-dried tomatoes, olives. Just mix it up and get it how you like. Couple more eggs to go. And if you wanted, you could actually just use mayo in this instead of the olive oil and the lemon juice. Eggs in. I've got some cheese here, so I'm just going to sort of just roughly break in. And then simply we're going to give this a mix. And it's done. Really easy salad to do and tastes fantastic. I'm using mozzarella here, but you could be using cheddar or blue cheese like a gorgonzola or something like that if you wanted to. Right, mix it all up, back in a moment. Okay, and there you go. Super easy. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.